Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to add references in ChatGPT. So as you can see right here, I uploaded my resume and I told them that they should put a summary to my resume, right? And as you can see right here, I added my resume or my summary of my resume. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and add and ask ChatGPT to add or give me some references because I don't want them to I don't want the future employers to know that I use ChatGPT for my references. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead right here and just type, please provide idea for references I can review, right? And I'm gonna just enter, and basically they're gonna give you the websites that you can use for your article, essays, whatever it might be. Just go ahead and ask them, please provide idea for references that I can review. And basically for your idea, for your essay, for your novel, for your story, they're gonna give you like arguments, or if you want to ask them about arguments in the novel that you created by ChatGPT, just go ahead and do that and basically ask them to review ideas for your references so you can get back to it and study it more, and basically you're gonna be able to see references for the novels and all the talking points that ChatGPT gave to you. So basically that's it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.